Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm here today to talk about a new product. As you know, I'm obsessed with beauty and skincare. Is a phone sound? So I'm here with a new product that I think is really great. It prevents me from going and get manicures and pedicures every 2 weeks or so. I have a really bad habit. And I really love having soft hands and feet, so this is a really great tool for that. If you guys enjoyed the video and would like to purchase it, you can find the link in the description box below. And okay, I'm addicted to any kind of products or tools that softens your hands or your feet. So when I saw this tool, I was like, I had to purchase it. So this is the tool. It's a paraffin wax machine. It comes with 1 pound of wax, a block of wax this big. And you actually put it in here and you turn the machine on and you let the wax melt for 90 minutes. So once it melts, it looks like this. I've already used it a few times, so you have to make sure you don't get anything in it, and you can reuse the wax as many times until, you know, it's finished, or you can't do the paraffin wax treatment. So this is called paraffin wax treatment. This one's by Conair. It works really great. I'm actually gonna go ahead and do a hand treatment right now. The wax is melted. It's been over 90 minutes, so it becomes very watery, like consistent. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my hand, and you can go in as many times as you would like to get the layers you want. So I'm gonna start right now. Oh, it's a little hot. Okay, Mike, can you turn it off? So you can actually get this at the salon. If you do like that, it's like a wax treatment for your hands. So it could be a little hot, so I like to go in like this. So you're making the layers. It's not gonna be so hot that you can't dip your hand in. You can go completely in like that. This is the paraffin wax that you see. So you can let it just harden before you go back in again. And this is supposed to make your hands extremely soft and moisturized. Same as a salon would, but you can do it at home by yourself. Feels really weird. But yeah, so you can do this for both your hands. You let it harden. Okay, well, can you pause it? So I have a layer that's hardened. I'm gonna go in one more time. I'm gonna wait for this to harden and I'm gonna go in again. Okay, so I think this is good enough, but you can keep going if you would like this. Okay, now that this process is done, I'm actually gonna put the lid back in. Pause it. So make sure to buy some saran wrap, this plastic wrap beforehand, because we're going to be wrapping the hand with this plastic. Okay, now that we have a piece of saran wrap right here, I'm going to be wrapping my hand in it. And I will let this treatment sit for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna wrap it up and you're gonna hang out for 20 minutes. Relaxation time. It actually feels really, really good. This wax treatment, I can't really explain it, but it gets warm and it gets super, super moisturized while I can watch TV or just relax. And this is what they offer at spas that you can really do just at home. So, okay, pause it. So once it's done, you can turn it off. It's time to take this off. You can save the wax and you can actually reuse it for next time. So here it is. I'm actually gonna put it back in here so I can reuse it for next time. But you just take it off like this. And you can already see my hands are very, very oily, moisturized, and looking healthy. Just have to take off all the wax. And the treatment is done. And we have healthy, shiny, moisturized hands. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you purchased the product, let us know and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Okay.